Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Amana washer that is not spinning in 2026. Now, a washer fails to spin can leave your clothes dripping wet, but this issue is usually caused by sensor errors or a simple mechanical blockage. So here is how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to start by opening your laundry room and ensuring that the washer is completely powered off. You can unplug the machine from the power outlet and then wait for about 1 minute to allow the internal capacitors to discharge, which acts as a basic hardware reset for the control board. After doing so, you just have to simply check the lid lock assembly, ensure that the plastic strike on the lid is not broken and aligns properly with the lid lock hole on the top panel. Then you just have to simply enter the diagnostic mode in order to check for the specific error codes. For that, you just have to turn the cycle selector knob to the 12 o'clock position, then perform the following sequence, in which you just have to simply rotate the knob one full turn counterclockwise, and then you just have to basically turn it to three right and one left and one right. So when the status light flashes, you just have to turn the knob until the spin light is on, and then you just have to simply press the start in order to begin the manual spin test. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.